Procrastination will kill all ambition. And I just came up with that. I don't even know if that's a thing or if I read it somewhere, but that just came to me right now. It will. It'll kill everything. And we procrastinate for so many different reasons, don't we? We procrastinate because we're afraid that we're not going to do it right, or we procrastinate because we are afraid that we're going to fail, or we put it off because we're just too lazy, or we're tired, or we make a zillion different excuses. But procrastination will kill everything that you're trying to do. So how do you overcome procrastination? How do you beat that? I know a lot of people who wait till the last minute to get things done, and a lot of excuses that people will give is, well, I work best under pressure. And I'm like, okay, cool, but wouldn't you rather have it done and then not have the pressure? Like, why do we want the stress? It's been shown that stress actually raises cortisol levels in your body, and cortisol suppresses the immune system, which means if you're stressed and your cortisol levels are high, you have a greater risk of getting sick. It causes heart disease. It causes all sorts of problems in your body. So why would you want to work under pressure? It's good if you can work under pressure, because if that hits you, then great. But why would you do that to yourself? So what's the key to beating procrastination? It's very simple. I've got it in 3 little words, and they are: do it now. I can't take credit for that because I read it in a book, which is a phenomenal book. You should totally read it. It's called Success Through a Positive Mental Attitude. It's by W. Clement Stone and Napoleon Hill. Phenomenal, phenomenal book. That is an action sentence that I've used in my life that works amazingly. As soon as you have that feeling, that idea, that inspiration, or that inspired thought, don't go, okay, I'll do it tomorrow. Don't go, all right, I can do it next week, because you won't do it. You will not do it. You have to do it now. Anything that can be done now, do it now. And if for whatever reason it's an idea that you have and you're at work and you can't do it now, set yourself a reminder, hold yourself accountable, and do it at the next available moment. But if you want to overcome procrastination, do it now.